Hey Veronica, how are you? Long time no see. I heard you work for an airline. Is that you work for an airline? Yeah, I do work for an airline. Oh, that's so cool. I was wondering, is there a way that I can get like a buddy pass from you? Like I heard that you guys get like discounts or buddy passes and stuff so that, I don't have to pay full price. Is that something that you can do? A buddy pass? Yeah, like you guys, you get discounts. I mean, I don't have to tell you that. You know it. You work there. But you guys get discounts for like friends and family and stuff or buddy passes, which is like, I guess like standby, but it's cheaper than if I were to have to buy a regular ticket. Are we buddies? Girl, come on. We've known each other like 4 years. Like, of course we're buddies. Were we buddies last week when I posted that I needed a ride to the mechanic because my tire blew up? Well, you know a lot of people, so I figured you didn't need me. Were we buddies when I posted my housewarming wish list online? Um, no, were we buddies when I had surgery last year and couldn't drive? I don't recall hearing from you asking if I needed anybody to drop something off. The point I'm trying to make is that I know I don't need you to do things for me because I have people who are actual buddies. But if you're not my buddy for anything else, then you're not my buddy for a discounted airline ticket or a buddy pass. I hope that makes sense. Um, I,